Hi guys, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to change the fuel filter on your Duramax. You're going to come over to your passenger side. You're going to take this bolt out. I believe it's a 10 millimeter. And then these are a bit smaller. There's a couple up here and around the truck. And then the rest are just going to be little plastic clips like this. You just take off. And then there's a couple more screws up here to take out this whole entire plastic so we could get access to the filter. After you unplug this, use your wrench, filter wrench, to unscrew this. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna dump all the diesel in here into this container. So you can see there's no more diesel in here. Dumped it all in here. Check it out, see if you see any water in your diesel. Make sure to not reuse this. This is no good, no more. So now I'm gonna use a wrench to take the sensor off, just this part, and put it on the new filter. This is the original seal that came with the old fuel filter. The new fuel filter comes with two. So this one is going to replace this. It's going to go on the top. And then you got to make sure you lube these up. Make sure you lubricate them before you put them on the top and before you switch this one out too. Once your sensor's on and then your seal's on, we're gonna go ahead and wrench her up. Now, once you got your filter on, you are going to connect your sensor back to where it was. All right guys, so on my intake, there's this clamp. I loosened it. I loosened this clamp back here just so I could get this out, move it up so I have more workspace, because we're going to be loosening this screw, and it's a 13 millimeter. So after you get your screw out, you're going to pump to prime, and you're going to wait until you're going to keep on priming till diesel starts coming out of this little hole, and then make sure you get all the bubbles out. After that, you put your screw back in and you should be good to go. Alright guys, so now to reset your fuel filter life, you're going to press this little icon. As you press it, it's going to go to oil life. You press it again, fuel filter life. Now you're going to press this little check mark for 5 seconds and it should restart. There we go guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope it was helpful. Like and subscribe.